Welcome, this is Rhonda Schaefer living in Fairport, New York. After watching this video, if you found value, like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the light bulb so you're alerted next time I go live. A Facebook friend, Amber, posted this story very recently and I just had to share it with you. A father said to his daughter, "You graduated with honors. Here's a car I acquired many years ago. It's several years old, but before I give it to you, take it down to the used car lot downtown and tell them I want to sell it to you and see how much they offer you." So the daughter went to the used car lot, returned to her father and said, "They offered me $1,000 because it looks very worn out." The father said, "Take it to the pawn shop." So the daughter went to the pawn shop, returned to her father and said the pawn shop offered $100 because it's a very old car. Then the father asked his daughter to go to a car club and show them the car. The daughter took the car to the club, returned, and told her father some people in the club offered $100,000 for it since it's a Nissan Skyline R34, an iconic car and sought out by many. The father said to the daughter, "The right place values you the right way. If you are not valued, do not be angry. It means you are in the wrong place." Those who know your value are those who appreciate you. Never stay in a place where no one sees your value. Isn't that a valuable story? I can count too many times when I stayed too long in a situation where I was not valued and where I did not value. What about you? With that said, this is Rhonda Schaefer living in Fairport, New York. Share your thoughts with me on this subject. Let's let those who don't know that they are not alone and can walk away anytime if they do not feel valued. Good day.